Okay, for this project I am going to capture the screen of a small presentation that I have created about solving multi-step equations. In this case there are three different steps to solve this problem. As you can see, we have 18 equals 3 times 4x minus 2. So let's go ahead and go through the different steps and see how we would solve this problem. Okay, so the first step we have is we need to distribute. So as you see, we have 18 equals 3 times 4x minus 2. Distribute means we're going to take this 3 on the outside of the parentheses and times it by each term on the inside of the parentheses. So we'll take this 3, times it by the 4x, and take this 3 and times it by the 2. When we do that, we should get 18 equals 12x minus 6. Okay, so what would be our second step? The second step is we can either add or subtract. To be able to do this, we're going to look right here at this minus 6, and we need to get rid of that. And to be able to get rid of a minus 6, we need to add 6. So we're going to add 6 to here, and some basic rules of algebra is whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other side. So since we add 6 to this side, we are going to add 6 to this side. So we should look like 24 equals 12x after you've added 6 to both sides. Let's take a look at our next step. Step 3, we must multiply or divide. So our entire goal is trying to get rid of our x, or not get rid of our x, but get our x to be alone. So if we take a look here, we have 12 by our x, and since there's no symbol here and they're right by each other, this means multiply. So we have 12 multiplied by x. So once again, we have to think, what's the inverse operation of multiply? It is divide. So we are going to divide this time. So we're going to divide by 12, divide by 12. Of course, when we do this, they disappear and we're left with x. 24 divided by 12 is 2. So we have 2 equals x. Yay! Let's double check though. Okay, so we started with the 18 equals 3 times 4x minus 2. And we said the x is 2, so we're going to plug 2 in. So we're going to do 4 times 2, which is 8. So on this line we have 8 equals 3 times 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. And 3 times 6 is 18. Therefore 18 equals 18, which means we got it correct. So yay! We did a great job. That was a very quick example of how we can solve multi-step equations.